Alright everybody, thanks for coming back to the channel. This video is going to be a little different, being that I am voice-overing the video because my audio on the original recording did not work. So I'm going to try to do this and be as organic as possible, but because I've already done it once, it's going to be weird. But anyway, here we go. So this box was smashed when I got it. So the shipper, not the person I bought it from, but the shipper just ran over the box. Looks like with their brown truck, or their was it a brown truck? I don't know. Anyway, so it was really smashed, and I wanted to open this up and just to see how bad the contents may have been destroyed. And with it being a convertible and that windshield up there sticking up and being kind of vulnerable, that was where I was concerned the most. I was thinking, oh great, it's going to have the windshield broken off. But just looking at this box here as I'm showing you, it's a really, really nice looking kit. For some reason this box is it's a larger size box. It's not the conventional size 1/25 scale model box, and I have another monogram. It's 1950 Ford, and it's like that. But I'm going to open this thing up, as you see, and with my fingers crossed, because it was really smashed. Here I was talking about, yeah, maybe the windshield's going to be broken off or something like that, and that was my my fear. Although that was what most people probably would have clicked on the video for, because the title being, you know, what it is. But as we open this up, actually interested in maybe building this kit too, because it has some. It's a 1995 kit, but it's a really cool kit, and I don't have a 55, 56. Well, I do have a 57. It was a drag car, but all right. As I open it up, the first thing I see is the windshield is not attached. And I'm like, okay, video over. Sorry, this wasn't very exciting. So, but the video, or the windshield, is not attached to the body, which is a really good thing, because if you'll notice, right where the body is at, is where it got smashed the most, and it would have broken that right off. So that is really, really good that it happened like that. So as I take the contents out, you know, this is not really a unboxing, so to speak. It was just basically, let's see if this thing is destroyed or not. My friend Chris Callen, he got a friend gave him a Trumpeter. That was the brand. I'd never heard of Trumpeter, by the way, but Trumpeter Cadillac, and the dog, I think, had bit it or something like that. I don't remember. Chris, if you can comment, I forget what it was, but the body was messed up, and I was thinking, this thing's probably trashed. I've probably wasted my money, and I wouldn't have held it against the person that that sold it to me, or that I won the bid or the offer from on eBay. It wasn't their fault. They had it boxed nicely. What I'm talking about here is this chrome. If you'll notice the chrome on the box, it's really, really nice looking chrome on this kit that they've built. And I was so impressed with the builder, because I'm like, wow, bare metal foil, he made it look great. And you know, bare metal foil is a bit of a challenge. So I was curious to think, I thought, would this chrome happen to be, you know, an actual piece of chrome rather than molded the body? And it was. See that slot there in the side? So the chrome actually is on the chrome tree, and you don't have to. I'm like, yes, because bare metal foil is like somewhat of a dread. It's quite time consuming, and yeah. But anyway, showing the convertible top there, and the pieces are. This is a super nice kit. The pieces are well done. Monogram, they did great work. But this is 1995. This kit is. So at that point, I'm pretty sure they were bought by Revell. I think they were in 95. So were these actually Revell kits with the monogram name, or were the companies separate? I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. I even did like I've done some of those history things on certain kits, and I think I've probably even explained when they got bought or whatever. I don't remember. I was reading what I'd written down during those videos. But anyway, here we go. The color of the chassis and all these things, there's your tail lights. But the color, it reminded me when I opened it of a Tamiya kit because it's got this gray color chassis parts. And very, very well detailed kit. I'm curious to know if any of you built this. There's a lot of 55 kits. Well, maybe there's not a lot, but there are 55 Chevrolet kits. But this one seems to be really, really nice. And yeah, there you go, your engine and all your parts there. And again, because I'm voiceovering this video because my audio crashed on the actual recording, it's kind of weird because I forget what I'm looking at. So, okay. I was talking about what size engine is this, and I guessed because I remember my dad teaching me that a 265 came in the 55. And so I was asking the audience in my original video, hey, what do you think came in it? And then I said 265, and that was before I looked at the instructions, and I was correct. It was 265. Yay, Matthew, he got it right. It's 265, you know. Wow, you're so smart. And then it was like this, hey guys, before you throw your bags away, you better make sure all your parts are on the tree, because there was a upper control arm right there, or whatever you call it, and it had come out, and I could have thrown that thing away, and it would have been a janky looking suspension if I had to build that. But anyway, yeah, just admiring these parts. It even has a spare tire over. If you notice there on the left, it had a styrene spare tire for I guess under the, oh, it's like a Continental kit. Then I said, wow, look at this chrome, and it is outstanding. If you could see it in real life, not on my camera, but you could see this chrome in real life, you would be like, that is realistic chrome. It looks wonderful, and I can't wait if I build this, because it's going to be a quick build. Bare metal foil is half the job. So the windshield's all your chrome is already done. You don't even have to do bare metal foil. And there's the windows, okay, the front windows, back window. There's your decals. It's just a few decals, and then the tires, which have the white walls that you saw with the convertible top. They will snap in. High quality kit. Whatever my hand gestures there are, I'm not sure, but there's the steering box that was also off the tree. So guys, when you open a kit, especially if it's old, if it's been thrown around, if it's been run over by a mail truck, you might want to check and see if all the parts are still on the tree, because they could easily fall off. And I think that's about it. I'm just trying to read my hands, but okay, I don't know what I was doing there, but yeah, I'm going to place it all nice and neat back in the box so you can just watch me do that. And I'll just try to think of something really quick to talk about while I'm doing that. Yeah, I wouldn't have put the chrome at the bottom. I probably would have put the chrome on the top. Oh, there you go. Good. He's listening to me. So yeah, then I don't think I'd put the chrome there either. Probably put the chrome on top of everything else. So we'll get all these contents back in the box, blah, blah, blah. You all know the drill. It is a cool looking body. This is going to be a sharp kit if I decide to build it. Guys, thanks for watching this video, as boring as it may be, because, you know, we were all thinking we're going to get to see, oh man, how's he going to fix that? How's he going to go about fixing all that? I don't have to, because it was totally fine. Go visit our Facebook group. Join. I think we're up to 600, a little over 600 members right now. Come on over, join. We're having a great time. There's no monetary gain over there. I just like to have you guys over. It's a lot of fun. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'd appreciate that. Go over to Hobby Nut Models and check out Mark's inventory. I almost said Chris, because I always have my friend Chris Callen's name in my head when I'm kind of closing up the credits, because his link is also. Okay, so my phone's ringing. Just a second, everybody. Okay, so sorry. My friend Chris Callen, his link is in the description. Chris Callen Auto Art. And it's always on my mind. So when I say Hobby Nut Models, for some reason Chris comes, but it's Mark over at Hobby Nut. Go check out Hobby Nut's inventory. If you like old NASCAR kits, hey, go check it out, because he's got a ton of them right now, and a lot of other great stuff. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for bearing with me, having to do it with a voiceover, and you guys take care. I will have a whole bunch of other models that I've just gotten in the mail, so I'll have another video for them pretty quickly. So just keep your eye out. Again, subscribe, like, comment, share, all those things that you can do. And as my fingers are still pointing and it seems that I'm still talking about something, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. So you all have a great evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it may be when you watch this. But guys, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.